Welcome to The Explainer. Let's just jump right in, because today we are unpacking what's shaping up to be literally one of the biggest stock market events in history. We're testing the market's absolutely unbridled optimism for artificial intelligence. Trillions have been poured into AI infrastructure, massive computing power, and data centers, and now the public markets are about to collide head-on with this frenzy.
Just look at the sheer scale of this number. $1.75 trillion. That's a T, right? That is the staggering valuation target for SpaceX's upcoming Friday initial public offering. I want you to think about this as a giant puzzle that we need to solve together today. Like, how on earth does a company just establish a valuation with that many zeros attached to it overnight? What exactly is the market buying into at this astronomical price tag?
Which brings us to the core mystery here. Why is a rocket company sparking the greatest AI frenzy in history? Now, if you're like most people, you hear SpaceX and you instantly picture those glamorous reusable boosters falling back from the sky with pinpoint precision, getting caught by giant mechanical chopsticks on the launch pad. But actually, scratch that assumption for a second. This massive upcoming IPO is not just about exploring the cosmos or building better rockets. There is a much bigger, much more complex engine driving this whole thing. To really grasp this valuation, we have to look at what the source material describes as this wild, sci-fi, almost Tony Stark-level ambition. You aren't just buying into a launch provider here. You are being asked to buy into Elon Musk's interplanetary vision. We are literally talking about placing computing infrastructure and data centers in space, on the moon, and eventually, one day, on Mars, because apparently Earth-based real estate just isn't cutting it anymore. It requires investors to look way past the rockets and see the invisible data network Musk intends to build across the entire solar system.
So what's truly fascinating is this massive gap between perception and reality. It is totally an iceberg situation. Above the water, public perception is entirely focused on the rockets. But below the surface, the actual reality, SpaceX is functioning as this massive artificial intelligence, data, and infrastructure hub. The truth is, according to the financial analysts we're looking at today, SpaceX isn't really a rocket company at all. When you get right down to the core of this trillion-dollar valuation, it's an AI company. Check out this breakdown of the total addressable market, or TAM, that SpaceX is going after. The whole pie is worth a mind-boggling $28 trillion. But look at where the actual value lies. The slice for rockets and traditional space exploration, that's just $1.5 trillion. The AI market slice, a staggering $26.5 trillion. So yeah, that completely proves why AI is the absolute core focus here. It literally dwarfs the traditional space market.
Okay, so how exactly is SpaceX an AI company? Well, it all comes down to how the businesses are structured. Enter xAI. This is the artificial intelligence business that is essentially bundled directly into the SpaceX group. And, just to add another layer to this whole tangled infrastructure empire, this group also owns X, the platform we used to call Twitter. So when investors are evaluating SpaceX, they're really looking at a bundled portfolio that includes one of the most highly anticipated AI ventures on the planet. But SpaceX isn't doing this in a vacuum. They are actually kicking off a historic macroeconomic domino effect. We're entering the AI IPO wave. SpaceX starts the dominoes falling this Friday. Then, probably sometime this summer, we expect Anthropic, the makers of the AI model Claude, to go public. And finally, with a date still to be determined, we've got OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, who pretty much started this whole mainstream craze in the first place.
Which brings us to a very crucial combined number, $4 trillion. If you add up the anticipated valuations of all these upcoming AI IPOs, you hit that monumental figure. And this is going to be the ultimate reality check for the public markets. Up until now, only this elite club of super wealthy individuals and massive institutions could own stakes in these companies. Now that massive $4 trillion of value is about to be stress tested against the open market's absolute unbridled optimism.
So how do the actual IPO mechanics work here? Like, how do you even slap a $1.75 trillion price tag on something on day one? The math is actually pretty fascinating. The target valuation for the whole company is $1.75 trillion, sure, but SpaceX isn't selling the whole company. They're only actually selling between $75 and $85 billion worth of stock, meaning they're only offering about 5% of the total company to the public. So by selling just this tiny, incredibly hot morsel of the business, they mathematically establish the valuation for the entire giant pie.
Now look, despite all the hype, we do have to look at the competitive reality neutrally. Unlike in the rocket industry, where SpaceX is completely untouchably dominant, AI is the one business where they don't actually have a distinct commercial or technical advantage yet. If this were a race, the front grid is basically occupied by OpenAI and Anthropic. xAI, the SpaceX entity, is playing catch-up. They have a ton of ground to make up and a lot to prove to truly justify that front-runner price tag they're asking for.
And that brings us right to you, the viewer, and the wider public. This event is what the financial world calls a retail offering. For the literal first time, everyday people listening to this explainer can actually buy into the AI boom. Market experts are reporting just an absolute surge of interest. And it's not just veteran stock buyers. It's first-time investors who have had their interest piqued and are looking at this saying, hey, I want in on this action. Because of this huge surge, we're seeing this fascinating tug of war in the financial industry right now. On one side, brokers are aggressively lowering the drawbridge. They see a massive opportunity to grab new customers, so they're waiving broker's fees, waiving currency exchange costs, just doing whatever it takes to get people in the door. But at the exact same time, they're issuing this incredibly cautious advice. Don't invest your life savings. Diversify. Essentially, they're rolling out the red carpet to the casino while simultaneously begging you not to bet your house on a single spin.
So why all the caution? Well, because we have a historical mental model for exactly this kind of situation, and honestly, it carries some pretty foreboding lessons. Financial experts are strongly anchoring today's AI boom to the early 2000s .com boom. We've seen what happens when seemingly unlimited investor appetite collides with a brand new, world-changing technology. Yes, it is a period of immense wealth generation, but it carries a dark structural risk that we really need to understand clearly.
Let's walk through how that .com playbook unfolded to understand the risk. It starts with a highly successful initial IPO, just like the one expected for SpaceX, where they sell that tiny, hot morsel. Seeing that success, founders and early investors kind of panic. They fear they'll never get a better price, so they start dumping massive chunks of their own shares. Suddenly, all this supply floods the open market, and finally, that tidal wave of supply just totally overwhelms demand, and boom, it triggers a crash. Back in the early 2000s, this exact sequence wiped out 75% of the Nasdaq. And that historical precedent brings us to a harsh reality test, which is perfectly summarized by this quote from the source analysis. You need to make some pretty heroic assumptions about how much money these companies are going to make in the future. Look, everyone agrees AI is transformational. It's going to change how economies are structured. But you have to remember that in the financial world, heroic usually translates to dangerously optimistic. The ultimate question remains, will AI actually earn a financial return large enough to justify the literal trillions of dollars currently being poured into its infrastructure? Yep, despite all those required heroic assumptions and the looming risks, there is a major X factor driving this specific IPO, the Elon Musk factor. The guy has made a whole career out of setting impossible goals when everyone else doubted him. He revolutionized the global car industry with Tesla. He built the world's most dominant launch provider. To succeed here with AI, he's going to have to do things no company, and honestly no country, has ever done before. The bar is unbelievably high. But, as market analysts impartially point out, betting against him has historically been a very, very unwise move. Which leaves us with this final, really pivotal question to consider. As that drawbridge lowers and trillions of dollars worth of AI shares begin hitting the public market, starting with SpaceX's Friday, what's going to happen? Will the world's unbridled appetite for artificial intelligence sustain itself over the long haul, justifying these astronomical valuations? Or are we just repeating the .com playbook, setting the stage for a historic bubble to finally burst? It's the $4 trillion question, and, well, we are all about to find out the answer. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.